it in, goes to the bench for a change. With under 3 minutes to go here in the first period. Still no score. Milo Cerny taken hard on the glass, and we've got gloves in the face, sticks, as we've got two players stuck together, and referees right there. No penalty on the other side, and they score on a weak backhand shot by Hall, and O'Connor recovers the puck. O'Connor, drop pass for Laurent. Laurent, across center, inside the zone, goes towards the net, and had the puck taken off his stick as he was trying to backhand it forward. Hall for Marshall. Marshall scores! And another hit at center ice between Doucette and Kellaway. And now near the penalty box, coming in, Small with some room as he tried to get it back, but was deflected towards center ice. It's Lehouillier. Lehouillier with some room on the backhand as he tries to get a shot in. It's first try. They're up by 1 with 5:34 remaining and a 2-minute or less power play. Marshall at the draw for Rockland. Goes to the sideboards. Gagné to O'Connor at the left point. For Marshall. Marshall comes in. Toe drag, scores! James! With Carleton plays down by 2 here. And down by 2 in the series. Lehouillier inside the zone. His pass attempt for Hall is cut off as Freusland starts the other way. Freusland along the sideboards, has some room, feeds the front, and they score! Right of the Rockland net, and a nice feed by Jackson Freusland, who did all the work on that goal, and we've got 1:51 remaining. Goaltender is on the bench, an extra attacker. Net open, long shot down the ice, and in the goal! Boards.